everyone, today we're diving into the VANIR wireless earbuds. Earbuds packed with AI-powered features for incredible sound quality, crystal clear calls, and a fully immersive listening experience. These could be a game changer if you're after a premium audio experience. Stick around to find out why, and don't forget to check the product link in the description and pinned comment. First up, AI dynamic noise canceling. These earbuds are built with adaptive AI that evaluates the noise around you in real time and automatically switches to the best noise canceling mode. Whether you're in a bustling city, on the subway, or at the airport, the VANIR earbuds reduce up to 99.6% of background noise, with a max reduction depth of 48 decibels. It's impressive how they bring tranquility to even the noisiest environments. And for calls, VANIR's AI call noise reduction technology makes a real difference. By isolating your voice from background noise, you get a clear, uninterrupted conversation. Even whispers in busy places come through with clarity. These are ideal for commutes or when you need to take calls on the go. Now here's something unique. Light control at your fingertips. With just 4 quick taps, you can turn the earbud light on or off. There's a light on mode with a soft blue pulse, or the light off mode for a discreet look. Perfect if you want to enjoy music without drawing attention. Let's talk sound. The 360-degree spatial sound on these earbuds is next level. With high-res spatial modeling, these earbuds create a realistic audio environment that reacts to your head movements. Thanks to the V2 chip and 6-axis sensors, you'll experience music in full, multi-dimensional sound, with each layer of vocals and instruments in sharp definition. With a 30-hour battery life and an IP55 waterproof rating, these earbuds are perfect for extended use, whether you're working out, commuting, or just enjoying your music. If you're ready to elevate your audio experience, check out the link in the description and pinned comment for more details. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.